Hello and welcome back to Zach's Storytelling. Although today we're not doing storytelling, we're actually going to be doing sound effects. My friend actually requested this at school. So it's on CapCut if you want to install it. It's actually a pretty cool app. So it's going to be like slapping, kicking, punching, big slaps, explosions, but basically stuff like that. So let's do it. Okay, so I don't have another person to do the fight scene with. So I'm just going to try pretending to slap me or pretend to punch me, pretend to kick the camera and an explosion, but stuff like that. So let's see how it goes out. All right, so we're going to start off with slapping, and I don't know if it's going to be that good, but basically we're going to be going like this, and it's just going to sound like I'm really slapping myself, and at the end I'm going to do a huge slap, and it's going to sound crazy. So let's do it. So I'm going to add the effects to it, and it's going to look real. But what you're going to see is what it's going to look real. But when I'm filming it, like right now, or when I did film it, it's going to look like I really wasn't fake slap baby. But all right, let's do it. Ready, set, go. All right, so I did 4 slaps, and now I'm going to do a huge slap, all right? Oh man, that hurt so badly. By the way, I was acting. Gotcha! Alright, moving on to punches. Alright, as I said, we're going to be doing punches now. Ready, set. 4 punches, and now moving on to kicks. Said we're going to be doing kicks. So there we go, 4 kicks. And now... Alright, thanks for watching Zach's Storytelling. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit that notification bell and make sure to watch out for my other videos. See ya!